Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. In this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this new paint gun. It's from Euro and it's from MG Distributors. Let me open it up, see what's inside. This is a Euro 5200 paint gun. Let's get started. Alright guys, first of all, let's open it up. This is a 1.4 needle nozzle combination. Right there you can see the manufacturer. It's MG Distributors. I'll leave all the information below of this company so you can go ahead and check them out. Alright, first of all, once you open it up, there's another box inside, and you have your cup. Alright, let me put this out to the side. This is going to be your cup. It's a 1000 cc cup. So let me start with the cup. Let me open this up. Right there, guys. It's a real nice cup. It's an aluminum cup. Right there. Alright. Let me start with the gun. Let's see what's inside. First of all, once you open the package, you're going to have your tools. This is your tools to disassemble the gun, to clean the gun, a little filter, and yeah, that's all there is. You're going to have your manual. Right there. And the gun. There it is, guys. It's a real nice gun. Trigger is real soft. And like I said, this is a 1.4 HVLP. Right there. I hope the camera's capturing it. But it's a real nice gun. I'm going to be doing a demonstration on it. I'm going to be shooting black in a couple of days. I'm going to be doing that, so you'll see this gun in action. So just stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's all there is in the package. Like I said, the trigger is nice, real soft. Let me just assemble this so you can see it complete. There it is. Nice, real nice. Alright guys, like I said, I'm going to leave all the information for the company down there. You can go ahead. They have a lot of different other types of guns, so check them out. They're not that expensive, and let's see how it sprays. Alright, I'll be, like I said, I'll be making a video of it on the review. Alright, that's coming real soon, guys. So I just wanted to make this quick little unboxing just for you guys to have something for the week. So that's it, guys. Alright guys, thank you very much. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, guys. I'm still working on that pickup truck, that F-150. As a matter of fact, let me show you a little glimpse of it. I'm almost done with it. Let me tease you a little with that pickup truck. There it is, guys. I don't want to ruin the video for this weekend, but you're gonna love it. And that's it, guys. Like I said, this will be it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. It's a little short video of this unboxing, and I'll see you this coming weekend, guys. Alright? Like always, thank you. Have a great week. Enjoy the rest of your week. And God bless.